When we looked at our total product or total output, we saw total product wasn't linear. It was rising initially at an increasing rate, and then it was rising at a decreasing rate, and later on we may see it may also fall. Now, when it was rising at an increasing rate, it was for the first two workers. So for the first two workers, TP is increasing but at an increasing rate. Now we also said this, the rate at which TP is changing is the marginal product. So marginal product is the slope of TP or change in output when one more worker is employed. So when I look at MP diagrammatically, we can see that MP for the first two worker was rising and then MP starts to fall. When the marginal product of labor increases as employment increases, as we can see for the first two worker, we say there are increasing marginal returns of labor. Each time a worker is hired, the total output is rising by more than it did for the previous worker. And therefore, we can say that the MP is rising or TP is increasing at an increasing rate. One reason of why the increasing marginal returns to labor happens is because we hire more workers, which can allow more specialization to happen. So for example, what the first worker can do one task, the second worker can do other tasks, and they can become better at what they're doing. So division of labor can improve what we call output for each additional worker. Another reason is that at very low levels of employment, there may not be enough workers to properly operate the available capital. In other words, the capital utilization is not ideal at low levels of employment. But as the employment goes up, the capital utilization becomes better and the productivity for each worker increases as more workers are hired. After the first two workers, diminishing marginal product takes place. As you can see, MP starts to fall. The diminishing MP happens when output rises when another worker is added, but the rise is smaller and smaller with each successive worker.